morning, everyone. This is David with Bolivar Live. Well, I figured I've been to High Island. I'm just coming out of High Island, and yesterday we had Arthur that sort of put a hiatus on our Highway 87 area. You could get through, but it wasn't the best trip. And so we're going to drive Highway 87 this morning from High Island down towards Rollover Pass. Now, TxDOT worked in Galveston County, worked on keeping it clean because of the elevated tide and the way the tide was set. It kept throwing debris up on the road. It wasn't like it flooded it and washed it to the other side. And so I can tell you, TxDOT, and I know Galveston County was out here. I don't know how late they worked, but it's a whole lot better now than it was when I left at about 4:30 yesterday afternoon, and tide started subsiding then. But I've talked to TxDOT already this morning. They're going to be out this morning probably around 7:30, 8 o'clock at the latest, and put the finishing touches on Highway 87. I talked to Danny, and I'm sure they'll bring a sweeper out and do another scrape and then sweep the sand. When I came through, and you're going to see it now, there's some areas that still has sand on it, and there's nothing they can do about that under the conditions we were in. But now, since it's passed, tides are back to semi-normal. And I know when I looked at the beach this morning through our webcam, and you can look at it anytime through our 9 live webcams, just go to Bolivar, Peninsula, Texas.com. The beach was getting back to normal. And so Highway 87 is travelable. It's in no condition like it was yesterday. The sun's out, you can see. In fact, the sun came out yesterday. I've never seen a tropical storm come through us or close to us like that, and we had sunny skies. Now, there's one area right here by the Lonely House, or I call it the Lonely House, that has some water, and they're going to have to clean that and get that to drain. And then the rest of the area is mainly just some sand on the road. And like I said, they'll be down here this morning to put finishing touches on everything, get the sand off the road, because it can get slippery and slide if you turn the wheel real quick. So still proceed with caution and give them the room. They're going to be running a brush up and down this thing to get it clean, and that's what we need with the weekend ahead and the bookings that are coming in, that came in yesterday and went through it, and then some are leaving today. And so we're probably at about 95% booked down here from what I saw when I checked earlier in the week. And so Highway 87's looking good. The weather's looking fabulous. Don't let yesterday deter you in any way. We didn't get the 6 to 9 inches of rain some people were calling for. We had a high tide. We had a high tide on the beachfront and the bayside. And so Stingery Restaurant, I know, was closed yesterday. They'll open today, from my understanding, at 11 o'clock. Jose's will be back open today. You can grab, and I'm driving 55 mile an hour, 50 mile an hour, and you can see what it's like here. And I do have coffee, so there's some areas that it's a little rough, especially if you have a smaller vehicle. And so just be careful if you come through this morning, but it's nothing like it was yesterday, I'm happy to say. And once again, I want to thank TxDOT for staying out here all day and staying later to do what they could to keep it clean. I want to thank Galveston County for everything they did to try and help keep the road clean, and I'm sure they'll be out on the beach today. I want to thank Energy. We had a pole fire yesterday, for the quick response and getting that taken care of. And so that's all the partners here on Bolivar. Thanks to Galveston County OEM, Office of Emergency Management, for getting the information out to us and everyone. National Hurricane Center. I don't know how many times I went to their site yesterday. The ferry for keeping things going. The fire departments that were called out for the and there's one area right here I want to show y'all that we still have some water, and like I said, TxDOT will be out this morning to clean up this, get this water drained off the road. And so that's on the eastbound lanes heading out of Crystal Beach. And then there's a couple other areas down inside Gilcrest between where we're at now and Rollover Pass. So anyway, just wanted to give you a ride this morning, let you see what Highway 87 looked like. It's looking great. It's open. It's pretty clean for what we went through yesterday. And so I want to thank once again everyone that was involved in keeping the logs and the boards and as much sand as they could off the road so that people could get out. Highway 87 is a major thoroughfare. It is labeled as an evacuation route, and it's a major passage for a lot of people from Southeast Texas to get to UTMB, where they have medical condition or medical taken care of. And so anyway, just wanted to say hi to everyone this morning. We're out. If you see us on the beach, make sure you flag us down and ask us what's free today. Things are looking good. It's sunny skies in paradise, and we've got our 27 miles of beachfront. Remember, for more beach conditions, you can visit our website. We implemented the Bolivar Live alert to keep you updated during Arthur, and we'll probably pull it down a little bit later on today once we check the beach and everything. We do have a heat advisory out, and so we may keep it up with that information on everyone. We only implement that when needed, and it's a red banner that runs across a lot of the pages and then is linked to an internal page with information. So anyway, we're gonna head on out. In fact, let's take a look at the pier. We're almost to the pier here. Let's take a look at the pier real quick. In fact, let's hear from these guys and we'll come back and take a look at the pier. Thank you to these 2026 video equipment sponsors. Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87. Beachy Beatnik Boutique, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87. And Latitude 29 Surf Shop, located at 1400 Highway 87. Thank you to these area businesses for being our 2026 video equipment sponsors for Bolivar Live. Well, we're coming up to the pier. I'm going to give you a quick peek at it. Things are coming good on it. In fact, we need to get Coastal 1 back up again so that you can see exactly what's going on there. You can see the crane. They're also working on the north side of Highway 87, putting in the park over there. So anyway, we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.